Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Prequel Reactive Skin Solutions 5% Ectoin Cream. This product retails for $25. Very excited for this new formulation from Prequel. They've taken a lot of ingredients that have worked great for my skin, and also coming from someone who has pretty bad reactive skin, very excited by the title and by the claims of this product. I do feel like this product is supposed to treat some skin concerns. I'm not able to testify for those. I don't personally have any skin concerns at the moment, except for just redness, dryness, sensitivity. That's about all I will be testing with this product, but I just wanted to say that going into this review. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They utilize Ectoin, Urea, and also Allantoin, which are all ingredients have worked wonderful for me, and I'm very excited to try them in this formula. Check out the full ingredient list. You can click the link in the description, go to their website. I've also left the full ingredients in the description as well. The main things I'm going to be looking for with it include how soothing is it? What does it do for my skin on the areas that I need it? I'm also going to see how I best use it. Do I want to just use this as a spot treatment, or is it something that I find I like best as a moisturizer? I'm also going to be comparing some of the textures to the Prequel creams, because they've released a balm, they've released an ointment, they've released different soothing style moisturizers. All of these have different purposes. They all have different technology. So I'm not trying to compare the technology of them, but from a consumer standpoint, I know that I look for, okay, what is this best for? What is this best for? A lot of the claims kind of overlap on who they are designed for. So I'm gonna also be just comparing the texture and seeing where this lies in both richness, long lasting, and how it feels overall on the skin. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. Judging by the size of it, I'm assuming it's supposed to be used just in spots that you need it. This is just 1 fluid ounce, which, I mean, considering the great ingredients they have in here, the great concentrated and packed ingredients they have, it's understandable why you get this much. I'm just assuming you're just supposed to use it in areas that are really dry and really irritated. Now, Prequel has a lot of moisturizer and restorative textures. I'm gonna try my best to compare those. This is the only one with 5% urea, 3% hydroxyethyl urea, and 0.3% allantoin. I'm assuming, based off the texture that I saw, this is going to be kind of on the same style as their balm, but it leaves a little bit more of a moisturizing texture. You can kind of see there. A little bit heavier. I think it's their heaviest cream that I've seen so far. I mean, it is leaving just a little bit of a slight white film on the skin, but that's nothing terrible. I am gonna use this on areas where I am more acne prone, just to see if it works in those areas. Today, I'm experiencing a lot of dryness around my nose area here, and then this area is really bad for me. I shaved yesterday, so I go through really bad dryness patches around here and around my neck. So this is where we're going in first, because this is where I really need it. I have been so sick lately, and my skin gets so dry when I'm sick. And also my nose gets dry because I've been having to wear a mask, and just going through a lot of changes with the weather, along with having to stay in more. So my skin's been like, what's been going on? But this is providing an instant nourishment to the skin. It is definitely the heaviest cream that I felt from Prequel. Kind of has a similar texture to their ointment, seeming like it's gonna be just a good product to have on hand, have in your routine whenever you just need to apply it on spots. I also can't testify for various skin concerns that this is saying it's supposed to target. This is mainly just coming from my perspective of, does it cause acne? And also, how does it work compared to some of their other moisturizers? Prequel has launched so many balm texture style products, this is feeling like a really soothing, nourishing product. It provided some instant relief to those areas. You can see there around my nose, it blended in better, but around here, I think with this product, it is fairly concentrated, so you don't need to go in with a ton of it. I may also try using this as a moisturizer, like say I'm really sensitized that day. May try going in with it as that, just seeing how it feels and how I best use it. But that's about where I stand with this product right now. Feels really nice. I think it's intended to be just a little bit more heavy and greasy, but we'll see how it absorbs. So I'll see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This was a really nourishing and really restorative cream from Prequel, and I feel like it's a unique product from the other moisturizers that they have released. I'm gonna do a texture comparison, just talking about the difference between this and their other moisturizers. Since I have tried and I love all of those, the biggest standout is the ingredients. I feel like they were really designed to soothe redness, and also the urea in this product really helped rebuild my skin barrier. It's a natural moisturizing factor, and urea has worked really well for me. It's one of my favorite ingredients to include in skincare. One thing to note about this product though is it seems to be a very concentrated formula. I was a little bit thrown off by the amount that you get because it's a little bit lower than the standard size of a typical moisturizer, and so that's why I feel like I used it best in the areas where I needed it. I didn't go in with this product all over my face, except for nights that my skin was just really going through it. There are some nights where I've either been out a long time, I didn't have a chance to reapply sunscreen as much as I needed to, or whatever the case may be, and my skin just feels irritated. That's when I would go in with this product all over my face. Just anywhere where my skin, no matter whether it's on my face or on my body, felt sensitized, or I was experiencing redness or extreme dryness, that's when I would go in with this product. Here's where I feel like the texture lies. Kind of similar to their balm off of initial use. It feels restorative instantly like the Prequel Skin Utility Balm, but almost goes into the skin like their urea moisturizer. Where this product separates itself from all other Prequel moisturizers is in how long it lasts, how nourishing it is, and also the little bit heavier and dewier of a finish. This is definitely concentrated as well, in my opinion. Pretty potent treatment product. And so that's why I would just recommend using it on the areas where you are really red or really sensitized. I feel like if you struggle with dry and sensitive skin is when you're really going to find this beneficial. Also, I can't testify for different skin concerns, but most Prequel products are designed with a lot of skin concerns like rosacea, eczema in mind, and I just personally struggle with redness. I don't have any of those skin concerns. It did significantly help my redness, help take some of the dryness out of my combination skin in my drier areas, specifically around my chin. I specifically also deal with shaving irritation. This product combated that pretty well. It is a really potent moisturizer, meaning it is a little bit heavier. It is supposed to deliver those instant benefits. The good thing is I noticed those. I noticed that instantly my skin was soothed. It has a way to just blend into the skin and provide a great level of nourishment. Additionally, no new breakouts, no new acne with this formula when I did use it all over my face. Now, I didn't use it as consistently there, very situational. It did personally work for my acne prone skin. I feel like this would be a good moisturizer to have on hand situationally because it is pretty concentrated and just something that I found I needed to use situationally just when my skin was really going through it. A little bit heavier, and hopefully this helped you distinguish where it lies in Prequel's moisturizers, because definitely in its own lane, there's not really many rules with this product as is with most of Prequel's products. It's just a really soothing, nourishing moisturizer. The ingredients are what really make it stand out from any other cream I've seen on the market. I feel like that is what makes it the perfect situational moisturizer, or if you're really sensitized or sensitive, you could use it all over your face every day, twice a day. I mean, there's really no rules with it. Just use it where you feel like it's best, in my opinion. That's what I did. I didn't really find any consistency with it because my skin goes through so many different changes. I have to adapt my routine to that, and this was a very adaptive skincare product for me. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next review.